From the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Supreme Court of India, Mitti Cafe has found its way in the hearts of every Indian with a unique initiative. Bengaluru-based Mitti Cafe is a chain of inclusive cafes run by the Mitti NGO. Manned by a team of specially abled people battling physical disabilities, intellectual and psychiatric disabilities, and hailing from low-income families. It's been founded by Alina Alam, and the cafe is an extraordinary institution that gives guests an exceptional experience that truly empowers one and all. My colleague Neha gets us more in this report.
I feel very good. Our confidence will be high when previously there was no confidence on me. While reaching in here, we get very confidence. They motivated to success in our life and to how to move forward in how to achieve our goals. They will motivate us to reach our goals.
That was Shiva, one of the many employees of Mitti Cafe. He leads an independent, transformed life now. Like Shiva, there are over 300 people with physical and mental disabilities who have been trained and employed at Mitti Cafe. With smiles on their faces, they welcome everyone with open arms and love.
I am Bharat. Welcome Mitti Cafe.
We decided to visit the cafe when the annual Mitti Mela was on. The staff had all put up stalls of items made by them and even shook a leg at the talent corner. The cafe that started with no funds and only with community support has today found a place in the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Supreme Court as well. The founder's commitment to inclusivity and empowering persons with disabilities has drawn many children to voluntarily intern at the cafe and do their part in giving back to society.
It's really nice to work here. I'm really enjoying all of it. It's really nice to see everyone's happy over here. It's such a nice community over here. So yeah, it's really fun and nice to work here.
The founders of Mitti truly believe that their staff are the frontline change makers, making the change that they want to see in the society around them by creating awareness about the cause of disability and really touching lives with every cup of tea they serve.
When we talk about, 1.2 billion people with disabilities across the globe, there needs to be a certain common denominator, right, that can connect people. Yeah. How do you reach out to that kind of population? How do you create that awareness that is so required? Because again, the problem is not the 1.2 people with disabilities. That's again the larger audience, the society in which we live. The rest of the people who feel that these guys are not going to be able to do anything. So in order to change perceptions, the best medium for us was food. Because food is something that connects everybody.
Absolutely.
And it's such a simple model that, through our inclusive cafes that are managed by people with physical, psychiatric and intellectual disabilities, we create that awareness about the cause of disability inclusion, providing sustainable livelihoods for people who are engaged and also creating awareness in the society around us.
Just the fact that there's so much love and inclusivity in the air is what has got all of them coming back to work every day with broad grins on their face. And we can only hope that this cafe acts as an inspiration to many others, because remember that even the Supreme Court, in fact, took note of this and had a Mitti Cafe opened on their premises. Well, on Mirror Now, we continue to bring you stories of love and of inclusivity. Stay tuned. In Bengaluru, with video journalist Santosh, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.